Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use WhatsApp on two iPhones using the same phone number. Step 1. Make sure you have WhatsApp on your main iPhone. First open WhatsApp on your main phone, the one that already has your WhatsApp account and phone number set up. Make sure it is updated to latest version. Step 2. Get the second iPhone ready. On your second iPhone, go to the App Store, search for WhatsApp and install it. When WhatsApp opens, do not enter your phone number. Instead, tap link to exiting account at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. A QR code will appear. The second iPhone will now show a QR code. This QR code will connect it to the second phone to WhatsApp account. Step 4. Scan the QR code from main iPhone. Now back to your main iPhone. Open WhatsApp. Tap the settings bottom right corner. Tap on link device. Then tap a link device. Your camera will open. Point your main iPhone camera at the QR code on the second iPhone. Step 5. Now both iPhones will use the same WhatsApp number at the same time. That's it. Now you know how to use WhatsApp on two iPhones with the same number. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop some likes. Thanks for watching.